What's up? In this video I will explain how you can remove the page title when you're using the Elementor page builder, and it's very easy to do, and I will give you an example. So therefore I go to pages over here in the menu, and then I'll click on add new, and I will call this page example 1. And when it's done, you can click on edit with Elementor over here. So now you see that the page has been loaded, and over here you can see the page title that we have just filled in the WordPress dashboard. And if you want to remove this, then you can do it like this. You need to go to the settings. That's the icon over here in the corner at the left. If you hover over it, you can also see settings, and then you click on it, and now you can see over here that the page layout is set to default. So that's the default settings. And if you want to remove the title, you can select this option, hide title, just click on it, and now you can see that the title is gone. So that's how you can remove it. But let's say you do it like this, you set it back, so now the title is visible again. Then you can also go to the settings and then go to page layout and set it to Elementor full width, for example. And if you do that, now you can see that the page title is also not visible. So now it's set to the Elementor full width option. So if you use the Elementor full width option, then the page title is not visible by default. So that's how you can do it. Don't forget to save all the settings by clicking on the green button. And now you know how you can hide the page title, and you can drag, for example, a heading widget onto the canvas, and you can create titles like that. So I hope this video was helpful and you learned something new by watching it. If that's the case, please make sure to hit the thumbs up. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. Subscribe to the channel if you want to stay up to date for other videos that I will be uploading. I hope you have a nice day, and I hope to see you back again in the next video.